Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to tie a headscarf properly around your head so that it doesn't come off while you are sleeping, and this will change your life. Let's go. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to tie your scarf. This first one I'm going to show you will work really well for you if you have hair like mine. If you put your hair up in a ponytail for 2 minutes and you take out the elastic, it's still stuck in the ponytail position. If you lay down for 5 minutes, your hair has a flat spot and you can't get rid of it. That's what my hair tends to do. It's also really good if you know that you're going to be wearing your hair down the next day and you want it to be really big and voluminous and you don't really have a ton of time to fluff it up in the morning. This is the way for you. It's really easy. You're going to get, how big would I say this is? I mean, it's really big. It's really big. It's probably 3 feet long, 2.5 feet long. I don't really remember. One side is really silky, one side kind of isn't. Always keep the silky, shiny side on the part that's going to touch your hair. So the first way I'm going to show you that works really well if you want to wear your hair big and fluffy the next day, and if you have hair that doesn't tend to cooperate with where you would like for it to go, let's do it. So all you're going to do, tilt your head back. This is so easy. Take the 2 ends on the same side, tie it kind of grandma style. By the way, you're not going to look cute with any of these, so just come to terms with it. My husband's so used to this now, he doesn't think anything of it. I think he thinks it's kind of adorable. So just tie it. I double knot it. And then you're going to take the 2 corners that were in the back, put them underneath your hair, and then bring these up to the top. Double knot. And that's it, because this way, this part's kind of loose, but it's still protected from the friction against the pillow. So this is it. Isn't that amazing? So then let's get this out. This is how I always take my headscarves off. Always go. I'm gonna shake it out. The next way that I'm gonna show you is pretty much the pineapple. This is really good if you know that you wanna wear your hair in a big, fluffy, curly ponytail the next day. For this part, make a triangle. Shiny side out, triangle. Make sure the corner is down. All your hair should be downward. Make sure once it's on your actual head that all of your hair is facing the ground. You can even do this. Flip your hair up. Just be careful that it doesn't fall out. Keep your head tilted back or else your hair will get in the way and you will make a big knotted mess. And then just, I always love this so much. But look, all of your curls will be protected. And then what you can do, flap these over, double knot this. This will definitely stay. Double knot. And then none of your hair will be touching the pillow, no friction. No friction. We don't like friction. Why don't we like friction? It causes frizz, it causes damage. No friction. All right, so let's take this out. I am saving the best for last. Now, I'm going to give credit where credit is due. I kept waking up and finding my head wrap next to me in the morning. So I looked on YouTube and I found a video that, I mean, she talked about this way to tie the scarf, and it is foolproof. So that video was by Sunset and Waves. She gives credit to someone else. She learned it from someone else who is Natural85. I will link both of them below. But this is what they taught me. You're gonna take your, I think she used a rectangular one, so mine is square, but it doesn't matter. You could do it with both, especially because this is really big. I will also link my scarf below for you. So once again, shiny side down, and then tie it like that. Now if you want to do this with your hair down, if you have the type of hair that's really well moisturized and it behaves, take all of this that's down here and tuck it into this poof back here. If I know that I want to wear my hair down the next day, I don't do this. It just doesn't work for me. This is amazing for safety styles. In the summer, I pretty much live in braids. I do two down my head on either side. And I don't like when there's the little frizzies and the little flyaways. So I braid it and then I put this on and I sleep with it. There's hair on me. And I wake up the next day and I mean, my edges are smooth. I have none of this nonsense down the middle by the part. And it just helps keep my hair in really good condition, because you know when you sleep with braids, you have to worry about the hair that's in the parts with the friction and breaking, and it makes them more susceptible, that little area, if you're just sleeping on a pillow. So this helps protect it. This is perfect for any sort of safety style. And if your hair tends to behave really well, if you put your hair in a poof, whatever, if you want to throw your hair back in a bun and do this to protect the edges, it works really well and it will not come off. The Sunset and Waves said that Natural 85 took the two ends and just kind of brought it and tied it in the front. What Sunset and Waves does, which is what I do, she brings it around the front. This is the game changer. This is what locks it in position. Game changer. This is the thing that will change your life. You will never, ever wake up with your scarf next to you on your bed in the morning ever again if you do this one. And again, pretend that all this hair isn't down here. Pretend that it's tucked. You're gonna bring these two ends around the back and tie it underneath the puff. Double knot. It will not move. It won't move. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if this helps you. Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram. The name is Meredith Jones Curls.